This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. No idea why my chart's sitting on NKD, but hey, whatever. Ghost, morning, good morning. Awesome. Congratulations on that. I saw you were pretty active on the Discord. Aren't you glad I told you to join the Discord? Let's see. Give me 1 second here. Discombobulated. Okay. So we've been falling. We started falling yesterday and we've fallen hard. And have we fallen and can't get up? That's a great question. ES 54.73 down to 54.09. Wow. 64 points of range on the ES. NQ 18,979 all the way down to 18,641. Wow. 350 points of range overnight on NQ. Wow. Good morning, Juan. Kappa. About 140 ticks. Ultra Bond rising up today. A little over a point in range. That's a big range for the Ultra Bond. Gold massively crashed, and I watched this crash last night. Little did I know that this bounce candle would lead to the promised land, or else I would have put a one on. You can see here we've up to 25.13, low was at 79, so about 34 points in range. The oil that's crude's dumping. You should never dump crude. It causes an ecological catastrophe. Oh, wow. It's about 170 ticks their range in crude oil. Natural gas is all wonky, and BTC is down to 64.6. So that's where we sit stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this wonderful morning. I think I need to log in. Yeah, I need to log out of my gold charts and log in to my regular charts. The whole trading gold and silver experiment this week did not go well. Oh, wrong one. There we go. So let's get it, shall we? Hey, Tipped, how you doing? Someone joined the Discord yesterday, said you referred them, so thank you. Looks like he's trying to rise up. Let me find my charts. Where's my chart? There it is. Not really chart, but what it is. There we go. Well, at this point, if you haven't been screwed by Apex, who are you exactly? Took a long off that blue candle. I think it was a mistake. Also, I have, where the heck's my stop? It was definitely a mistake. Wasn't thinking. Let me, good morning. Yeah, I'm going to jump out of there. That was me not reading where my charts are at this point. Morning, Chris. I should have stayed in. Darn it. Didn't feel like that was a good spot, but it ended up being a good spot. We'll get the next one. All right. Little yellowing action. Yep, I should have stayed in. I saw that I was overextended on that RSI, so that kind of shook me out, but obviously it shouldn't have. So yeah, we do have one of our big news reports this morning, the non-farm payroll. Because who cares about the farming payroll? It's coming up here in just 22 minutes. And then at 10 o'clock, we have U.S. factory orders. And for those of you trading later in the day, we at noon, there's two Fed speakers. Yep, we're still rising up. Are we rising up to drop at NFP? That's the question we have to ask ourselves. Wait. Assad? Are you the same Assad I'm talking to in Discord that says about going long? Okay. Oh, you had me worried there for a minute. I thought either you were lacking sleep again or were like 100% bipolar or multiple personality disorder. Excuse me. Sitting here and waiting. So we can see here, this is our NQ hourly chart. And what a wild week it's been. We thought this day was wild going up. NQ said, hold my ticks. And came down, gave everything back. And now it's gotten even lower. We're at the lowest point we've been in, holy wow, since June 3rd. Daily chart, 569 point candle, 482 point candle. We're down 309 here. I don't know. Daily chart actually doesn't look all that bouncy based on if this was the 1 minute chart, I would not play for a bounce play here. Alright, folks, if you're enjoying the stream or you expect to enjoy the stream, I appreciate if you would ignore that like button for me. There's a move down, purple candle, hitting the 100 EMA. I have a 9, a 20, and a 100 EMA. Nope, but Halloween is fast approaching. I believe Walmart has all the candy out now. Morning, John. Happy NFP to you as well. Sorry I didn't get any cards sent out. I need to get my NFP tree put up. Short. Trying for a quick short here, but it looks like it's gonna smack me. Maybe not. Come on down. Yeah, they don't have TradeDay yet. They keep saying that they're going to be getting it soon, but so far soon has not happened. And also, welcome to the stream, Jameis. If I pronounced that wrong, please correct me, and I apologize. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. But yeah, no TradeDay there yet. I hope they keep, like I said, they keep saying soon. From what I understand, it's hard for an older firm to add TradeDay, a whole bunch of database reprogramming that they need to do. This is going to knock me out. So Rhythmic's your only choice there. Nice, John. Look at you. You've had to hit that sell button a couple of times this week, and you're doing well with it. So I went short because I got that second purple candle. Technically, it's third purple candle. So I thought for sure it might want to come down. Yep, we got news in 12 minutes. I will not. I mean, this trade's gonna be done before then. But if for some reason it just decides to stall, I will get out before the news. I totally agree, John. And there we go. There we go. Stop that. I've been having success with everything besides the MyFundedFutures account. Yesterday I had a very good day on a Topstep Eval. I had a very good day on Funded Futures Network Eval. Funded Futures Network more than halfway to funded now, but it's MyFundedFutures. You're welcome, Jameis. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Welcome to the community. Hope you stick around. Is there a specific easy for me to say, specific thing you're looking for in a prop firm? Right now, Blusky has fallen from my top spot until their leadership proves to me that it can do what they were doing before Josh left. Remember to bring something back for the rest of us, Hassan. Definitely choppy as we head into NFP. My recommendation, Jamie, right now would be MyFundedFutures. They have TradeDay. Topstep is TradeDay. I mean, Blusky is probably okay, but I'm just really worried. There was a reason I didn't work with Blusky before Josh was there, and I'm not 100% confident in the leadership that is now in place. Ghost. I agree, and I want to get one of my accounts where I'm working off of a 5-minute chart and going for bigger moves. Hassan, I mean, yeah, I don't expect to see I expect to see it be a slow drop in quality versus like they're just gonna die. Yeah, exactly. Right, and because of that, it's hard to be trustful. That would be a scam. I never, ever, ever, ever DM somebody without first asking permission. There's been a ton of fake oxen, a whole herd of fake oxen this week, 4 or 5 fake oxen. All right, Ghost. Good morning, JJR. Good to see everybody. It's, Discord's biggest issue is allowing accounts to spoof people. I once complained about one to Discord, and their reply to me is I should ask them nicely to stop. Blue candle pop, but I am this point I'm staying flat until NFP blows. Looking at the chart, I have no idea which way it's going to go, honestly. A lot of times I can look at the chart and make an educated guess which way I think it's going to head. I can't this time. Well, what's funny about that, Hassan, is because I have something on the Discord that alerts me if someone changes their name to my name or a deviation of my name, so I can usually ban them pretty quick as long as I'm paying attention to the Discord at the time. At one time, I get notification and I see that they changed their name from Canadian Futures Trader to mine. So they apparently, this is when CFT still had his Discord. So they apparently tried to spoof CFT first, and then they came to me and tried to spoof me. Hey, Speed Racer, good morning. Okay, 30 seconds or so until non-farm payroll. Will we whoosh or pop? Whoosh or pop? Ooh, pushing down here right before. Oh, we whooshed and popped. Got up to 718, down to, no, that's wrong. Sorry. Got up to 761, down to 662. So this says 100, wow. It did have a 100-point range. Now it's going down further. Whooshy whoosh. Gold up huge. 20-point candle on gold. Try to long the pop. Basically try to catch a falling knife. Where's my stop? I didn't want a huge stop. Where's my stop? Well, I ended up taking a huge dip here, huger than I wanted to, because I could just hit the stop button, but I'm not sure why I don't have a stop on here. Where the heck? There it is. That's supposed to be a 10-point stop. Why was it all the way down there? Yeah, I know. And it's because this eval is already, yeah, there we go. That eval just blew, which is fine. I knew I was going to be resetting it anyway. That's why I did that. So give me a minute while I reset. So I can reset fast enough that I can get in on this trade. Wow, yeah, it's still falling. Okay. Ah. I swear, modern platforms should like be easier to log out and log into. Yeah. Yeah, we're back. Spent $50, but we're back. I said I've had luck with everything besides the frickin' MyFundedFutures account. Gold's still heading up. Looks like he wants to still head down. So I really thought we were going to see a pop there, and we did not, obviously. Chris, how'd your YOLO go? Sorry to hear that. We're long 5 micros off that blue candle. Oh, why is that doing that? Psychedelic. There we go. Target hit 15 points. 5 micros. Should have went with a mini, but eh. Yep, look at it rocketing now. There is the bounce, and I should have went with a mini, but that's okay. I also entered an EMD trade on Blusky. I was going to show it, but my software is being stupid. There we go. EMD is pulling back now. I was up as much as $600. Now I'm up 340. EMD is huge spread, so you see it jumping from 200 to 300 to 500. There we go. Boom. Yeah, 600 down, right back down to 400. To be an EMD trader, you gotta be kind of insane. We'll come back to that. And Q comes back down. So it was two green candles, and then right back down. You can see the EMD down here at the bottom right-hand corner. Watch NQ come down. NQ popping with a blue. I'll have a blue. I know without you. Sorry. In with 3 micros again. 5 micros, not 3. Not going. Yep, pushed him back down. Struggling at the 9. Ouch. Yeah. Stopped out, so he gave back the last trade. Blue candle did not work. Ooh. Well, $1,250 daily loss limit on MyFundedFutures says it does. This weekend I'm studying the EMAs. Like here, it got to the 9 EMA, but couldn't get above it. I want to see how often that happens. If I should take a blue candle that's come up to it like that and rubbing against it out of play. Did just take a $500 win on that EMD, though it wasn't the greatest because it was up 1,000 and it pulled back and I took it. because they have good evals and they have good everything else. There's no perfect prop. I mean, I would give number one the MyFundedFutures, but I just still have a little hesitant on that. If Bulenox actually had a path to live, they would be number one. Patak says he's fixing customer service very soon, so we'll see. I mean, here's the thing. For me to keep Topstep number one, I don't want them to be number one because they're dropping me as an affiliate in 3 weeks. So so for me to say they're number one means that's truly what I feel at this point, because I mean, and I agree, but I think he realized this is an issue that if he doesn't do something soon, he's gonna start losing people. Took a long there, full contract. Not going out. 3 points. Yay. I should have stayed in, of course, but that's okay. Whatever. I agree. Yeah, I should have stayed in that trade. Darn it. I just frustrate myself. I gotta start accepting these trades. That would have been my 20-point win because I had my 20-point ATM on there, and I just let it go away for 2 points. By the way, and even this blue candle would have worked if I put my stop below it. Have a great weekend, Chris. See you Monday. The color are engulfing candles. It's a mix of two other engulfing candle indicators that someone kind of mashed together for me. Not everything, Hassan. The NFP candle started at 7:09 and it's at 6:11, so it still has 100 points to go. Well, I mean the cross of the EMAs isn't happening until right now if we go with 9 and 20 cross. So yeah, so these are these are engulfings, and I try to use them. I need to use them more in trend or in momentum than I do. And then I also try to use them as reversals. And pulls back. I mean, my problem is this, I have two problems: not taking in trend trades and not just allowing my trades to work following the plan. There was no reason to get out of that trade right there. None at all. Uh, on their starter plans, John, it's not a sale. That's their permanent pricing. $76 for the 50K, 142 for the 100K, 209 for the 150K. I was long, Hassan. It really hurts. It's just for 1 month. It really hurts. We're long, I think. Yeah, there we go. Boom. 20 points. Remember, you can now trade up to 5 take profit accounts if you want to. Thank you, Ghost. Thank you, Hope. Hope. I called you Hope, really. Thank you, Hassan. So we're up 415 right now so far. So we head toward the top of the hour. Yeah, they kind of do, but the other affiliates I talk to, uh, Charlie Baker and CFT, they're killing it with Take Profit Trader, like 100x times what I do. So I'm trying to promote them more now. Yeah. Pulls down. Blue candle did not work there. Thankfully, I did not fall for it. Yeah, 100% refund of 1 month of your eval. Right. I mean, got to remember they are a business. They got to, make sure that they get profit as well. Probably, yeah. Still a good deal though. Yeah. Oh, I mean, let's see. Take profit. It's $85 for the 50K eval, 130 for the setup fee. So it's 215. If you get your money back on your first payout, then it was 130. Before this, yeah, it was 102 all in. Pulls back. Yeah, they do. Ouch. Sorry to hear that, bro. Yeah, the pay is real quick. Perhaps 1 mini is a good middle of this, there. I'll behave. Top of the hour, little pop. 30 minutes till the bell. Hanging around the 20 EMA and the 9 EMA. Short 5 minis. I mean micros, not minis. Before we all have a heart attack. 5 micros. Wow, came within a tick of my target and pulled back. Out with a small loss. Did it really come within a tick of my target? So it was in at 572. My target had been 562, 57. Yeah, it came within a tick of my target. It's going to come back down now and hit it anyway. I bet. Yeah, would have hit my target anyway. So I got shook out by that move back up. Tell me I'm an idiot. Hello, Jill. How are you today? No, I'm trading NQ. But gold would have been nice short. There's a bounce. Look at gold go down. So this was gold. You see the big pop. It's giving it almost all back. Gold bounces. I mean, sorry, NQ bounces. $25 minutes till the bell. Should be seeing ace shortly. Unless they've stopped recently. Oh, yeah, you can reset it. Well, okay, yeah, that's true. I was gonna say I knew Earn the Trade did as well, but although I will say oh yeah, okay, yeah, and that's a good point. I need to remember that for when I do my Top Step video. Although I'm not sure I'm gonna do a Top Step video now. I forget what I was gonna say. I don't think with Earn the Trade though. I think that you can't reset it at will. I mean, I think you need to contact support each time. Ooh, nice pop there on gold. Which pop can't stop. Oh, that's a win though, Joe. Take that as a win. Going red, especially if it was very red, and getting back to break even, that's a win. Yep, and I agree with Hassan there, especially a win if you followed your rules. Basically, the best way, and this is hard, and I don't do it much, but once you take a losing trade, you just got to accept that whatever balance you're at after that losing trade is your balance now, and that's where you're working from. So the next win, it should just be just that, a win. Celebrate it. You're moving back up from the balance you were at. You've increased your balance. Blue candle. Yeah, I kind of don't like where it's at though. But it might be trying to get up to that 100 EMA. Maybe. We're long with micros. I should just put the micros on a 1 minute chart. Come on. You just need a little bit more to get up that 100 EMA. That's all I want. Come on. 100 EMA sitting at 630. Oh, ouch. Out there. So that was a win. 7 points. Morning, Ace. How are you? I did get up to that 100 EMA. It's kind of grinding against it. I could have waited a couple more points. But, eh. I'm doing pretty good. Oh, yeah. I should definitely held. Look at that. Boom. Once it broke through that 100 EMA. Ooh, 500 chart looks a little big there. Gold's still dropping like a rock. Usually NQ and ES are moving in the same direction. Oh, you mean gold? You talking about? Yeah, oftentimes gold's moving opposite of, but not always. Seems like it's less than it used to be. Remember at the bell, I'll be watching my feeder cattle. I could have just went short with this yesterday. Made a lot of money on feeder cattle. The first day of the Mighty Ox Ag Products Challenge saw 3 people blow up their account. 2 of them have reset. Yeah, I mean, so 3 people blew up. So I feel I did rather well ending the day at negative 250 on the challenge. About 10 minutes until the bell. It's like a really low flying airplane above me. Up or down today? Which way will it go? Yawn. Sorry if that came across. Don't want to infect everybody else with my yawns. hanging around 18,650. ES at 54.09. Crude oil sideways. Looks like it's trying to break the 9 there as we're 5 minutes before the bell. Today's opening bell is brought to you by MyFundedFutures. MyFundedFutures launched their new starter plans at the beginning of July, and they are hot, hot, hot. The best plans, best accounts, whatever you want to call them, in futures. 50K accounts, $76 all in. That is the cheapest in futures. No funded setup fees. Easy eval. You can pass in one day. No consistency rules. No minimum trading days. End of day drawdown. No setup fees. You have a path to live. Everything good about futures trading is in these accounts. Check them out. Video link is in the video description below. He's using one micro, Ace. Thermonuclear war, which causes the market to go to zero. What if it hit Chicago? All right, Ghost, remember my rule. Bring some back for everybody. We're moving up here into the bell. Still got a long way to go to recover. A long way to go and a short time. Oops, singing. Sorry. Are we ready? 30 seconds. He said he probably wasn't going to be here today. Possibly not Monday either. Oh, what happened to you yesterday, Ace? You said the 2-minute warning and then you like totally disappeared after that. Sounds good there, Hassan. Wow, quick move down 30 some points. Oh, that's okay. It just always worries me when you just kind of disappear. Wow, look at the big move down on feeders. I hope that family stuff was important. Because if you didn't get your 2 points, it means nobody must have ate yesterday. Noticed, I almost sent the cops to look for it. No kidding. Look at that move on feeders. I just need to start taking a trade right at the open on these feeder cattle. Look at that. 83 ticks. The same tick value as ES. Someone do that math for me. $83 times $12.50. That's $1,000 trade. Out and short again. All right, good luck, Ace. Gold's popping up. Still falling there on the indices. Big old purple candle. Wow. So we're down 70 points on the Q. Just a pullback, right, Hassan? Crude falling. Crude's down to 74, breaking 74. Got a runner on Ace. Regardless of whatever Ace says, you should not drop a baby. They can hit the soft spot of their head. Nice pop. Big pop. Got down to 542. Popped 30 points here. You know what they say. Once you pop, you can't stop. Blue candle went away. Gets beaten back down. Ace, I see a tiny green candle there on the 5. You still in? Ah, there it goes. I thought about taking that long, and I should have. Dang it. Didn't give me my signal, but I did have a green candle body completely outside the bands. And just in case you forgot, Ace, it's Friday. Well, it didn't give me one of my blue candles, Hassan. So, like, everything wasn't there for me. I am long on my feeder cattle. Off the 1-minute chart. This blue candle. Look at that drop. This would have been a 1,500 point move. Keep an eye on that. Ooh, ouch. Or is this going to stop me out? Sticking to my strategy. My stop, you can't see it because it's on a Ninja Trader chart. My stop is at the bottom of the wick of this candle. So blue candle, I put the stop at the lowest level of that candle or the candle before it. Doesn't look good. Targeting that 9 EMA. If it gets there, then I'll make a decision. NQ still popping. Wow, look at it pop. Next Friday, we will be streaming over at Funded Futures Network's Discord again. This is a beautiful move up. Wow, that was a 62-point candle. Holy wow. And we're up 120 points in the last 4 minutes. Uh, look at NQ go. ES giving a blue candle on the 5-minute chart. NQ giving a blue candle on the 5-minute chart. But I think we're going to pull back before it continues to go up. But maybe not. I'm still in that trade on feeders. I was right about the pullback. That would have been a quick, good pullback. Not on feeders, on NQ. Feeders, I think, is doing the same thing to me that it did yesterday. You can see here, this was yesterday. We started with a huge drop. It went sideways. I guess it did go up a little bit there. But yeah, I expected it to go that, do that, and it just went that, and then yep, this is dipping nicely. I expected it. Why did I expect it? Again, so this is the other thing. This is something I had added to this indicator. When these two lines get 30 apart, it often means a reversal. You can see that it did there and then here. And you can see right there reversal, right there reversal. You know, like here again, this is another place. Boom, boom. So, but here, this is this is that where I tried to catch the falling knife. It didn't work here, but this was a news thing, so I mean it eventually worked. And I tell myself if I wait for the first blue candle after seeing that, definitely take that. Just about stopped out on the feeder cattle trade. Looks like it'll be about a $300 loss. Still going though. It's still trying. Yep, now I'm stopped. So I never had an entry on the 3, and that was what I was originally going to start with messing around with. So I need to just stick with that. $15 minutes after the bell. Oh wait, we have more news. We have news coming up at the top of the hour. U.S. factory orders month over month. We're short. Ooh, that was a quick stop. Ouch. Don't take purple candles on the 9. Don't take purple candles on the 9. Idiot. Aha. Okay. Didn't even give me a chance to move the stop. Fuck this bullshit. And back down. That's a 40-point candle. It's a 60-point candle. Down to the 100 EMA. Hard to see because of the numbers there, but Still falling. So I took the bad purple candle, didn't take the good purple candle. That was smart. Feeders still falling. We got falling feeders. Bouncing. Back above the 100. Has the 20 and the 9 sitting there as well. It's trying to pop back up. Huge candles right now. Huge. Hanging on this all 3 EMAs, so we're just going to kind of wait. Do you got that news coming up at about 8 minutes from now? How's everybody else doing? $42 candle. Holy wow. Yeah, this is really insane. There's no major news catalyst next week that I'm aware of. So I wonder if it calms down then. There's smaller ones, but there's no FOMC, CPI, PPI, or FOMC. Or NFP. I think I said FOMC twice. Yeah, but I think all the major earnings are in as well because we had some major catalysts this week with Microsoft and Amazon and Apple. And has Nvidia reported? I forget if we've seen Nvidia's earnings or not. It's a day late. Ace. Well, put on your calendar, Ace. Friday, August 16th. Me and RJ will be doing a London to New York stream. No, it's going to be, that's the overnight one. I start at 1 a.m. my time, goes to 10:30 my time. We are planning an all-day one as well, but we haven't settled on a date for that. Popping back up. And on Friday the 9th and Friday the 23rd, I will not be streaming here. I'll only be streaming on the Funded Futures Network Discord. Unless I can figure out a way to simulcast to YouTube. I'm looking at that. This is probably a short. I'm already late. Look at that. That's how late. I mean, that's how quick things are moving. Could have grabbed a quick 10 points there. Wow. Could have grabbed a quick 20 points there. Oh, what's my feeders doing? I forgot about them. Oh, wow. So feeder cattle are dying. Gotta think a bounce is coming here soon, though. Everyone got quiet. Top of the hour coming up. Got news. 30 seconds. Well, that didn't knock our socks off yet. No sock knocker. NQ try to pop up. Little blue candle from Pasadena. Still under the 9. 9. Try to get momentum again. Try to break the 20. Nope. Denied. Hanging on those EMAs. So back down. Back down. Falling. Continues down. Low day 508. We're just about ready to hit that again. ES hitting its low a day. And this is as low as we've been since June. $473, still dropping. What's your thoughts, Hassan? You still here? So ES, that was 110-point range on the day. NQ, 500-point range on the day. I think that's 3 straight 500-point ranges for NQ, which really is not normal. Look at this free fall. What's my feeders doing? Feeders still not bouncing. No bouncing feeders. It's just going to go to 0. I need to check my volume now. Daily volume. 3.6. Let me check the Z. Because other stuff has switched to Z. That's gold. Right. GF. Feeder cattle. Okay. There's no Z. Never mind. Okay. So they don't have a December contract. That's interesting. The others do. They don't. Okay. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, bounce, bounce, bounce. I want this bounce, bounce, bounce. It's a 20-point candle. It went away. Ah, I didn't move my stop in time again. Frustrating. But right back down anyway. So blue candle did not work. So that stop saved me more than I would have lost. Whatever I'm trying to say. It's not done falling yet. Wow. Gold big pullback. See? If I go with the trend, I would be making good money, right? Why did I still do that? NASDAQ composite on a correction course sinks 10% below record high. ES has dropped another 10 points. This is kind of amazing at this point. It really is. Everyone thought here this was the end of the downtrend, and it wasn't. We're now, you know, down over 1,000 points over the last 2 days. ES over the last 3 days, ES hit a high of 54.34. No, wait, I'm looking at an hourly chart. I apologize. Now so there we go. That makes more sense. Thought it was weird. 5,600 was the high yesterday. It is now at 53.51. It's a 150-point drop. No, 200. That doesn't look right. 250-point drop on ES since the highs of yesterday. That's almost unheard of. That's COVID level stuff. We don't have another pandemic popping, do we? How's everybody doing? You all surviving? I was green on the day. I'm red on the day now. Excuse me while I take a screenshot. Back up to the 9, bops off of it. Nice move back up. Ooh, ouch. Stretched to my shoulder started hurting. Ow. Injury. Timeout. Timeout. Injury. Coming back down. Down she comes. And there's a break of the 9 with a blue candle. Let's see if it holds. Nope, it does not. That doesn't sound like much of a holiday. Hey, GB, how you doing? Right now I'm down on the ag trading, John. I think feeder cattle is going to zero. If I had just taken the short, I'll be good. Yeah, it's starting to look that way, Ace. Free cows. Get your free cows here. And now we're popping up. Mid caps coming down hard. Gold trying to push up. Crude down to 73.62. Blue candle. Do I want to try it? Do I want to try it? I don't know. This is wild action. It's like a 32-point candle now. I almost should go down to a 30-second chart because these candles are just too crazy. Soybean oil and soybean meal, John, not regular soybeans. Well, with 4 of the more unpopular products, we are talking about when we do the next one to open it up to more products, or the bigger products. Popping its head on the 20. Ah, guess I should have taken it. Come on, try again. There we go. Popped its head again. Guess I should have taken it. Wow, I don't listen to myself. That's the problem. You see the momentum, it's going up, and you're thinking, well, it's going to break there, and then it doesn't break. Popping its head on the 20. There we go. Target hit. I knew it was going to break the 20. I told you guys. Here they're doubting me. 20-point win. Back to green. Yeah, it's just something fun, John. You know, we all got cheap evals except for CFT, who got an expensive eval. And just seeing what we can do with it. Look at gold drop. Whoosh. Wow. Look at the Ultra Bond run. Run, Ultra Bond. Sorry, singing. Crude dying. Getting a little bit overextended there. Expect a pullback. We see my lines are 33 apart. So let's see what happens here. Yep, there's the pullback a little bit. Got up to 502. Still popping though. Didn't really pull back. In fact, they're still extended. 35 now apart. So I'm still expecting a pullback. Yeah, still going. It doesn't always work. It's about 30 minutes to go. Are we green, red, or bad? Feet are still falling. I just got to learn to go with trend. I have to. Look at this. I could have passed this evaluation just yesterday and today. Look at this. Let's just say I even waited for that first candle and took it there and just whooshed. This would have been 203 ticks. That's $2,500. You only need 3,000 to pass, so I could have got the extra 500 here. Still grinding up here. Now pull back. Look at gold just dying. Whoosh. That's a whoosh. This volatility is just amazing. I got to take better advantage of it next week. Coming back down. So you can see this is one of those times it really didn't give me the pullback when I expected it. You see this little green line here. This is when we were above 30 apart. And I mean, it pulled back by one. And I mean, I guess that was a big pullback. That was a 15-point candle. Then right back up, and now it's pulling back. Gold looking like it might be ready to bounce. Yeah. Hiccup. So for a little variety in our life, I just went long on gold. And it's going to stop me out. Yay! So that's what we get for trying some variety in life. Some good trades, some bad trades. Got a couple 20-pointers on NQ. Lost a couple of 15-pointers on NQ. Just lost a gold trade. And feeder cattles are going to zero. Popping up a little bit here on NQ. Nope, right back down. Oh, I accidentally hit the button early, but let's see if it works. So far, not working. Maybe. There we go. There we go. Target hit, 20-pointer. Nice. Yeah, okay. I got out at the right time too. I mean, it went about 6 more points and then trying to bounce. Wow, look at that pop. Holy crap. And these things are popping for no reason that I'm aware of. I mean, is there, I'll check, see if there's news. No, I don't see anything. Oh, maybe this, but those came 10 minutes ago. Goldman Sachs adds a third quarter point Fed cut to their 2024 forecast, but that was 10 minutes ago. That was actually when it started coming down. Down, came back down by 25, back up by 25. I have 15 minutes left to go. Who's still here with me? And how are you doing on the day? All right, Ace, have yourself a great weekend. We'll see you back here on Monday. Look at this pop. pulling back. Amazing volatility today. Amazing. Will we see this again next week? It's a good question. When you say gapped up on you, does that mean you were in an opposite direction? Ooh, copper looks kind of ugly today. This would have been like a good trade right there. But other than that, ugh. Up to the 100 EMA. We have not broken the 100 EMA. Oh, it was about an hour ago. Little candle popping above it. Thought about taking that blue because it did break the 100, but I thought it might stall here. It would have given me 10. Platinum. Oh wow, gold made a new low. Oh, sure. I accidentally replaced platinum when I was trading gold. Hold on 1 second. I'm in a chart. Yeah, nice move down. Look at that. There would have been my trigger right there on platinum. Move down. I had charted it out, not recently, but if I go back further enough, you'll see my lines. I do like platinum. I never. I mean, I've taken a few trades on it, but it's actually. I mean, in my opinion, it's a good one for people to like kind of learn on because it doesn't. It's a smaller tick value. It's not going to hurt you real bad. and it does tend to trend. This was yesterday. You can see a nice move up, got choppy. Then this move down. Keep us updated on how it goes for you. Actually, you know, we're doing this ag challenge now. I've talked about next month making it, if we continue to do it. I hope we do because it's fun. But making it platinum and palladium, the other P1. Ah, this one. This one's a little harder. Yeah, that today it's like absolutely horrible. Here, yes, this was yesterday. That one, it's not too bad, but yeah, platinum definitely because of the lower tick value, you definitely have less risk. And Q pulls back a little bit. Good, I did not. Remember, I said I was thinking about taking this blue candle here. You can see, boom, and then whoosh. Oh, we're getting a long signal on feeder cattle. I have to check that out here in a second. Things I get excited about nowadays. Oh wow, I missed it. I missed it somehow. Dang it! I must have just shut it down. This okay. Oh man, I missed my move. Wonder how I didn't see the. I should have gotten an alert on that blue candle. And look at this. How many ticks? 90, almost 100 ticks. It would have went 100 ticks. Man. Well, purple candle enticing me here. Got 2 points. Accidentally hit the close button. It's going to go with my direction. There was a twitch in my finger. But finishing up the day up 292.64. I guess it's good. It didn't drop the way I thought it was going to either, so. What's my feeders doing real quick? I want to thank everyone for joining me today and this week. Hope everyone has a great weekend. We'll be back here Monday, 8 a.m. Eastern time for some great trading action. Have a great one. Bye, everybody. So I can find my software. There it is. My software's frozen, so this may never end. Wow, never had my stream software freeze up on me before. Yeah, it's frozen. All right.